creating a company page on LinkedIn. So this is how to do it. On your menu, click on Work button. Scroll a little bit down, and at the end you'll find this option, Create a Company Page, and there is a sign plus on it. Click on it. And this window will open. So it will actually ask you what type of company page would you like to create. Is it a small business, medium to large business, or you want to create a showcase page, which is basically a sub-page associated with an existing page, or you are representative of an educational institution, school or university, and you would like to create a page for them. And here it basically gives you a view of your company page on desktop and mobile version view. So let's say you're a small business owner, so click here on this option, and then just go through this process. Fill in the blanks. So fill in here the name of your company, and then, so I've already created mine. So the name of my company is Your Biz Mentor LLC, and you'll write down the name of your company here. And then my LinkedIn company link is Your Biz Mentor here, and you would like to have the name of your company here. So see, LinkedIn gives you an option to even brand a link, your LinkedIn URL, public URL for your company. And then you will type in your website link here, and company details, industry, company size, company type, and here you will be able to see page preview. How does your page that you have created looks like? And of course, highly recommended to upload your logo here. And this is the recommended dimension for it, a recommended type of the supported images. And of course, a tagline about your company, a little bit about your company and about its industry, what you do, and click here on verify that you are authorized representative of this organization. And at the end, just below here, maybe you don't see it, but it's written create page. Just click on it and your page will be created. So I'll just go back here now. I didn't create mine because mine is already created. I didn't create it again. So let's get back to my page again, and let's just take a look at it a little bit. So the suggestion is to use this banner to promote your business, use this profile photo to upload your logo image. Here is how I created my page. This is my company name and the industry, location, and this is the description for my company as well. Here I have linked it to my website. And now if I click on it, it will show me this because I am actually in an admin view. So here you'll find one pencil. That means that actually it's giving me an opportunity to edit my website. But otherwise, if I'm not in admin view, if I view it, click here, there is a window which says view as member. If I click on it and view as a member, then this is the way how other users see it. And so they see that there is one employee on LinkedIn from this company, and if they click on it, that would be me. Yes. Or if they make a search here in the bar by the company, and they enter my company name, then they will be shown with one result, that is me working for this company. So again, this is the member view, any LinkedIn user view of my company page, and if they click here, they will be brought to my company page. So now I'm back again in the admin view, and this is the way how I said I have some analytics here, like in the last 30-day activity, 19 unique visitors, so the number of visitors has gone up, and as well as new followers by 266%, 285 post impressions, up for 10%, 6 custom button clicks. So you'll be able to get these impressions and analytics for your company page as well. And you'll be offered by, once you are creating your company page, you'll be offered to choose free hashtags that you'll be following as your business mentor. These are the hashtags that I've chosen. You also have an option to click here and see what people are saying about your business mentor, about your company. Click on it. And then some of my posts will actually be shown here in this feed. So how to start a post on your company page? It's the same as on your personal profile. You can just click on start a post and then choose who can see it. I always usually choose anyone and click on done, and then type here something, and then add an image or document or video. But what I usually do is that I actually post something on my personal profile, and then I click here on 3 dots on my personal profile. Here there are 3 dots, and then I choose an option of copy link, and then I go to my company page and I just simply paste the link here. Start the post, I paste the link, and I basically reshare content from my personal profile. But of course, you can also upload content directly from your desktop or from your mobile device. Now here in this right part, you'll be able to see view as a member that I've already explained, and here on the right side there is a part called admin tools. So if you click on it, this part here will be shown to you. I'll just read it to you. So you can manage page admins. That means you can add somebody to be your page. So again, clicking on admin tools, page admin, you can add page administrator. You can change your public URL, extend your reach by sponsoring your updates, post a job, create showcase page. There is a help center, creating showcase page, giving a feedback. So these are the options. So we have already viewed this part here, which is page. It's this main page of your company page. And then in the menu, we can choose content suggestions as well. And it it actually gives you an option to see what is the trending content for the last 15 days within, let's say, these chosen topics. Or you can add some other topic, let's say social media, or social media marketing, and then see what appears. Beyonce and Jay-Z coupling tweet tricks thousands. So you can see the engagement rate, number of unique engagements divided by unique impressions for selected audience. Engagements are likes, comments, shares, clicks, or follows. Some other popular content here as well. And then you can actually choose here whether you would like to filter it by all LinkedIn members, by page followers. So since I don't have that many page followers, I have less than 300, I cannot choose this option. I have 112 followers. Or we can choose by the interests of our employees as well. So it's good, it gives us a good insight into what interests our audience. We can also choose here an industry. So let's say just marketing and advertising, and we can choose even location, let's say United States. We can choose a job function, so let's say what is the management interested, what type of content they are interested in, and what type of managers, let's say directors, owners, what type of content are they interested in. So this is what we got as a result. And then we have an option just beside it here on the right to share this content. If we click on analytics, we can see the number of visitors, updates, and followers. So let's click on visitors, and we'll get some analytics. And then visitor, we can see even the visitor demographics. Here are their demographics. So most of my visitors are, you could say, from the sales field, almost 40% of them. 5% from marketing, 5% consulting, operations 11%, media communication, business development. So they're kind of good insights. And then updates, but then again we need to, we need to pay attention that it's only an insight about 112 followers. And then these are the updates, updated metrics for the time range, and we can change it here as well. For the last 7 days, 30 days, 12 days, and metrics is impressive. So let's say, for example, this is how it looks like. So it is definitely related to the, say this is organic reach, this is also organic reach, this is all organic reach. It's just because it's related to my posts. And yeah, so I teach about organic reach, and this is the result. So these days are probably, it's just because I didn't post anything on these days, so I didn't get any results. And see, it's all organic, it's not sponsored at all. And then you have an insight about the updated engagement, about a certain post that you made, and on which date, what were the impressions. So you can see which post actually worked the best. And then finally, in the menu above, you have a tab activity, and it's actually about the social notifications, about reactions, or okay, let's see, reactions. So these two reactions, my reaction and from somebody else. Again, this is all about the social reactions for my company page. And in general, no notifications, mentions. Okay, here are some of the mentions, just some of them. So getting engagement on company page is pretty challenging, but you just need to be consistent. You need to share content on your company page as well, and you need to promote your company page. Well, you can do it in organic way and in paid sponsored way, but just keep in mind and be consistent and promote your company page to your new contacts, to your current contacts, and engage within your company page once you get a notification that there is a trending post. So when you get a notification there is a trending post in let's say, I don't know, business, and it gives you this notification notification an option to engage with this post with your company profile, then definitely you want to do it. So why would you like to do it? Because once you click on that post and you click on like button, your company profile and your logo will be shown because you are interacting from your company page. And you don't have a lot of chances to do that. This is simply how LinkedIn works. And also, if you leave a comment, then you'll get even more exposure. People will see that somebody under your company profile commented on that post. So it's very good.